Good morning, students. I'm Lakshmi Chaya, HOD, Department of Zoology and Aquaculture. I hope you all are doing well. Students, due to pandemic COVID situations, we are going to conduct online classes through YouTube channel. In this year, I will be teaching paper 6, that is Animal Husbandry. Today, I am going to present a PPT on significance of animal husbandry and introduction about poultry farming. What is animal husbandry? It is a branch of agriculture that deal with feeding, caring, breeding of domestic animals is called animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the agriculture practice of breeding and raising of livestock. It includes buffaloes, cows, horses, sheep, pigs, camels and goats, etc. It also includes poultry farming and fisheries. Dairy farms, dairy industry, poultry and agriculture have been providing employment and additional income mainly in rural areas. Now I am going to discuss about general introduction to poultry farming. Observe this picture. What is poultry? The term poultry farming is applied to the raising of a wide variety of several species of domesticated birds like chickens, turkeys, ducks, guineas, pigeons and emos. In India, it is mainly related to raising of birds like chickens and ducks. Poultry is defined as domestication of birds kept by humans for their eggs, meat or feathers. And poultry science is the study of practices and principles involved in production and marketing of poultry and its products. Origin and domestication of poultry. You all are familiar Gallus gallus, that is white red jungle fowl, is the primary ancestor of domestic fowl. It has been domesticated in Asia around 2500 BC. Domestication of geese in Egypt 1500 BC. Domestication of turkeys in Mexico 2500 BC. Domestication of ducks in China 2500 BC. In India, the first poultry farm was established in Uttar Pradesh by Christian mission in 1912. India ranks 5th in world egg production and Andhra Pradesh ranks first among the Indian states in poultry farming. Egg consumption by country. India per capita consumption 20 eggs per year. Denmark 400 eggs per year. USA 340 eggs per year. And UK per capita consumption 250 eggs per year. Poultry farming. In poultry farming, these following three words are very familiar. Those are broilers, layers and breeders. What is meant by broiler? The birds which are raised only for their meat are called broilers. Layers. The birds which are raised exclusively for the production of eggs are called as layers. And breeders. Birds of both sexes which are kept for breeding purpose to obtain fertilized eggs for hatching to get chicks, that is broilers and layers. India has an agriculture based economy with livestock and poultry as an integral part of it. Nearly every family in the rural areas and every fifth family in urban areas is associated with poultry in one way or the other. In this slide, you can see poultry houses and poultry boards in a poultry farm. Okay, thank you. So far I have explained you about significance of animal husbandry and introduction about poultry farming, and I will update you next topic according to syllabus.